Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lesson number 10. Okay, we're bringing it all together now, folks. Hold on to your hats. Buckle yourself in. You're just going to amaze yourself with what you do now. So far, if you've followed my lessons, if you've been patient, and if you've been honest with yourself and been practicing, you will be able to write this quite comfortably. Yes, yours should look something like this. And then if you get your cardboard gauge, if you've made one, if you've not, then you can just spoil the whole thing by drawing dots on it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 is okay. 1 2 3 4 5, that's okay. 1 2 3 4, that's a bit narrow, but it'll do, I think. This as well, this height, let's measure that from here to here. Let's do it like that. 1 2 3 4. Okay. I suppose. Right, and remembering that yours should look like this. The alif starts here. Observe this now. Alif starts here, ends here on this line. Lam starts here, ends on the same line. Okay, to keep it all in proportion. Your re goes on this line, ra. Then it goes down, but when it comes back up, it's back on this line. Touches this line. So it's lower than everything else, but it comes back up here. Okay, then the ha or the he, there's separate lines for that. It starts here on this line, that's line 1. Let's just call that line 4. This is line 2, line 3. Okay, starts on line 2, starts below that actually, but yeah, it comes up here, and then when it's coming down, it comes down to about here. It doesn't go right down to that line. Okay, and now what we're going to do to finish this off is you're going to draw a meme. So now your pen is going to be at 45 degrees, not like we had it for the ha, straight like that, but now as you usually have it when you do a dot, 45 degrees. Okay, put your pen on there, push like that. Okay, then push out again, not directly on over it, so you're not going and then back up again. You like that, and then you overlap a little bit. Well, you overlap most of it, but then not near the end. And then you're going to do that, and then you're going to come down again like you're drawing a ra, and you're going to come down to this new line here, imaginary line. Let's call that line 5. Right. And you'll end on line 3 again. Okay, so you're going coming up like that. So there you have Ar-Rahim. So in order to write that now, you'll have to draw 1 2 3 4 5 lines. Okay, the space between line 1 and 2 is 2 dots. The space between line 2 and 3 is 3 dots. Space between line 3 and 4 is 2 dots. Space between 4 and 5 is 2 dots again. So now if you plan it carefully, you get a piece of paper, lined paper, and you do 1 2. So that's 1, that's line 2. Then you've got 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, line 3, then another 2 dots, line 4, then you've got another 2 dots, line 5, and then with a pencil you mark it out. So you think, right, a leaf starts at the top of line 1, ends on 4, so just do like that. That's a leaf. Then you look at lam. Lam's the same thing, 1 to 4. Then this bit, that's on line 4, it's going like that. And the ra going beyond line 5. Let's say, actually, because it comes down to here, that, let's call that line 6. Alright, so that would be another 2 dots. Let's call that line 6. Right, so then you've got that bit here, which is that. Then you go down to line 6, and then it comes up to line 4 again. Then look at how, where did it start? Started on line 2, so you're going to start it here. Where did it end? Ended on line 3, which is here. So that tells you that it needs to be like this. Then it needs to go up again. Where is the meme? Meme's on line 3. That's line 3, so you're going to do that. Where does the meme go down to? It goes down to line 5. Line 5 is here, so that tells you it needs to go down here. Where does it end? Line 3. Line 3 is here. Okay, map it out like that with a pencil, and then I hope you can see that. Might not be very clear. Let me just go over that with a pencil. That's what I've done with a pencil. Obviously you'll do it lightly with a pencil. I've just done it dark to show you. Then you can rub the pencil out afterwards, and now you go at it with your calligraphy pen and your calligraphy skills. So you start here, do the lam, go slowly, not as fast as me. Use your calligraphy skills. And there you have it. And then the only thing that remains is that, because this is the ya as well, you'll put 2 dots there. You've got ar-rahimu there. But before you start that, I think I rushed you a little bit there. What you do need to do, today's lesson was to do the memes. So let's practice some memes first. To practice the memes, you're already able to do your ha, and remember your ha ended here. So now for your memes, you're going like this, and then you're just doing like a ray. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Practice a few pages of this. Right, and once you've practiced a few pages of that, then come and do this. Your first one that you do might not look perfect. If it doesn't look perfect, then have a good look at it. Ask yourself, is it because I've not observed these lines? Have I done something silly? Like, for example, have I gone and got the lines wrong? Have I done something like this? A leaf I've put here, and then I've done lamb here, and I've done lam on ending and starting on the wrong lines and so on. So check the lines first. My guidelines, have I stuck to my guidelines? Have I started the letters at the right place, stopped at the right place? If that is the case and it still doesn't look right, then do a gauge check, size check, right? For example, is this too big? So with the same pen, count it. If it's 5, that's good. If it's 6, it's okay. But if it's something like 8 or 3, then that means you're off, right? This, yeah, that's right. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it starts from here and it ends here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's right. What about this ra here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's right. So that's perfect. Right. So let me do one, and then I want you to tell me whether it looks right or whether it looks wrong. Well, you don't need to tell me, just ask yourself, have I done it right or does it look a bit off? Now you might think, oh, that's really good, but if you look at it, bit disproportionate, what you think, this bit a bit too long. Yes, let me do another one. Does that look right? No, it doesn't. Then you ask yourself, why is it not looking right? And then you might notice that, hang on, that's barely 4, so that's too small. When these are 5 or 6, right, that's too small. And then that's 5. These 2 are too small, so that's why it looks wrong. Let's do another one. Does that look right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't look right. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. But then this ha here, 1, 2, 3. That's why it doesn't look right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay-ish, but that's too small. So that's what you do. And that's why I said you might want to make this gauge from a piece of card and then just plonk it on. Save you having to draw the dots all the time and messing up your drawings. But practice with that. So today's sabak, first thing is you need to practice your memes. The end of the ra, end of the meme, because it's exactly the same as a ra anyway, but it's a meme anyway. But it should end where it started here, so it ends there. Practice these few pages of these and then put it all together, go on to drawing these, but don't rush it. Get a pencil, map out all this. Okay, hope that helps. Enjoy yourselves. Let me know how you get on in the comments section. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.